Hi, today we're going to be unboxing HASBRO's B-DAMAN FiRE BD-14 LiGHTNiNG SCORPiO rapid fire type. This is the HASBRO version of TAKARA Tomy's B-DAMAN Fight. And let's see where it is. Right here. If we focus. The Japanese code is CB-14 Rolling Thunder, and the US code is BD-14 LiGHTNiNG SCORPiO. Although in Japan I had heard known as CB-14 Rolling Sangha. That's Sangha, not Sangha, but Sangha. Rolling Sangha. So let's see what else. So let's get him unboxed here. Do be aware that they do put tape at the bottom of the boxes. I guess it's supposed to seal it, but doesn't really do that much of a job. It's always sealed. There we go. And let me go get a pair of scissors. Real fast. Okay. We'll set the box to the side for now. So what do we get? A little instruction booklet. Tells you how to assemble. You could test the horn, or I guess it would be like the spite of the tail on the head. Install a trigger, little beer ball on the back head. Push trigger to fire the B-DAMAN or beer ball or marble, whatever you want to call it. How to assemble it, there's a game. We'll get more into that later on. Pretty much it is kind of simple. Here's the B-Spirit card that comes with it. Very nice. There is a code on the back right there, but I'm not going to show it because you know, I want the code. So let's take a look at Rolling Sangha or LiGHTNiNG SCORPiO, or I believe his name was Rolling Thunder. Looks pretty nice. With his little hands there, his little scorpion thing. Now they do say that this thing unpads, as you can see. All you do is just pad it back in. Let's see, how do we pad this thing back? And let me see here. Okay, so what you want to do is kind of push down and back. What someone told me, IAT's Raw reviews. Let's see, this guy right here, IAT's weld reviews. He did tell me that this part is kind of fragile because it just pops off. You could super glue it, or hot glue it, but super glue probably works better. Or model glue would be the best idea. But unlike the one from the S series, his little scorpion tail horn does not move around, so it kind of is in place. The other one, you can put it to whatever side you want to. Installing the little spring.